Hello friends, welcome to my channel Media Creation Club. Actually this video is not any technical video. I am just going to review a TV, then showing you the specification of the TV, all everything in this video. So hope you enjoy this video and then you like. If you want to buy this TV also you can buy in your country and then enjoy the this TV. So let's go to the unboxing the TV and then see the what is the specification and then what is the review, all everything you can see in this video. So this one is the TV bracket for the table, but I'm not going to use this bracket. I just hanging in the wall bracket. So I just show you simply how we open. Okay, so I put in the side. I show you. So in the box, this one is the power cord, this one is the audio jack, for the sound, 3.5 mm to RCA. Then this one is remote battery, TV bracket for the tables. Then this one is the user manual. User manual to how to use. Then a screw for the bracket, this bracket. So this is the TV, then this one is the box. Now box is fully empty. So front side is, you can see here the Toshiba logo, and then here got the one speaker, and then here got another speaker, and then this one is power LED, and then this one is the remote sensor. Then you can see the downstairs, my camera can show or no, the center you can see this one is the push button to power on. You can see here the arrow. So all everything functioning. This one is the with the one button, up and down, then plus and minus. Up and down for the channels, then plus minus for the volume. So this one for the screw for the bracket, to bracket for the table. And then now we turn the TV and then see the back side what it's okay. So you can see the model number, and this one is 40-inch L3750VM. Okay, this one is the power cord source, the back side this one, and then HDMI 1, and then HDMI 2, HDMI MHL, and then this one is the 3.5 mm jack, and then this one is the RCA jack, video, and then audio, then USB, then this one digital audio output, and then antenna RF jack. Then side we got the USB port, and then the earphone, you can see here USB port. Then one USB port is here. So this side is nothing. So we try to fix the bracket, then we see how. So we fix the bracket first. Okay friends, so this one is the remote they gave. You can see the remote, input source, and then power button, all everything. Everybody know how to use. So select the language, home, DBB, select the country, then we search the TV. So if we change the source, this one is now running the DTV digital TV. This one got function, you can see the we have the function DTV, DTV, ATV, AV, RF, RCA jack, and then this one is the HDMI MHL, then HDMI 2, and then USB. All the source this TV can support, and then the USB, this one MPG4 or MP4 can support straight away. So this TV is very quite good, and then our hotels use all this model because this brand Toshiba is very good for the long last TV. It's not spoil very fast or whatever. Even our hotel 800 rooms all using this TV. So hope this video is going to helpful for you. If you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up. Please subscribe my channel, press the bell icon for the latest updates. See you in the next video with the new updates. Thank you.